You've heard the words crypto, blockchain, Web3. But what do they really mean? Let's learn together. Welcome to PapayaLab Web 3. If this helped you see money a little differently, support us by liking this video, follow for one clear idea a day, and share it with someone who might enjoy thinking a little deeper. It helps us keep making clear, thoughtful content like this. Episode 2: Why Money Exists. Money feels normal to us. Every morning we walk into a shop, pick up what we need and pay. We tap our phone. We hand over cash. We move on with our day. Money is so deeply embedded in our lives that we almost never stop to question it. But here's a strange thought. Why does money exist at all? It may feel essential today, but humans lived for thousands of years without money. And yet people survived. Families grew. Communities formed. Before money, people still worked. They woke up early. They farmed the land. They fished the sea. They built shelters. They produced food. They produced tools. They produced value. And when they needed something they didn't have, they exchanged value directly. This system was called bartering. A farmer might trade rice for fish. A fisherman might trade fish for clothes. At first glance, it sounds simple. But beneath the surface, it was deeply inefficient. So what went wrong? Bartering required something very rare. Perfect timing. Both sides had to want each other's goods. At the same moment. In the same quantity. And in the same place. If a farmer wanted tools, the blacksmith also had to want rice. If the blacksmith already had food, the trade stopped there. Most of the time, needs didn't line up. Trade became slow. People carried heavy goods over long distances, just to discover the other party wasn't interested. Value was hard to store. Food spoiled. Animals got sick. Goods broke or lost usefulness over time. And most importantly, this system was impossible to scale. You couldn't build a large city if every exchange required negotiation from scratch. You couldn't have specialists if everyone had to trade goods directly to survive. So humans solved one problem with one powerful idea. They created a common placeholder. Instead of trading goods for goods, they traded goods for something in between. Gels, beads, metal, simple objects that carried no direct use, but had one important property. Everyone agreed to accept them. This agreement changed everything. One sentence to make it clear. Money exists to make exchange easier. Money separates effort from immediate needs. You no longer had to find someone who wanted exactly what you produced. You could work today, store your effort as money, and decide what you wanted later. This single idea unlocked scale. Large societies became possible. People could specialize without worrying about direct trade. Teachers could teach, knowing money would later buy food. Doctors could heal without needing fish or rice in return. Builders could build without negotiating every brick. Trade flowed smoothly. Value moved faster. Civilization accelerated. Cities grew. Innovation increased. Human cooperation expanded beyond villages. And this is why money still matters today. Not because money is valuable by itself, but because it quietly removes friction from our lives. Here's today's takeaway. Money is not just about wealth. Money is a coordination tool, a time-saving device, a system that allows millions of strangers to cooperate without knowing each other. Today's action is simple. The next time you pay for something, pause for 1 second. Notice how many problems money quietly solved for you, without a single conversation.